Are you an Indian techie working abroad and missing your parents every single day? Do you dream of bringing them over, but feel lost in a maze of questions like, how do I start the process? Is it even possible under the new 2025 visa rules? What should I book first, the tickets or the documents? Will wheelchair help be available for my elderly parents? Who will guide them at immigration or during layovers? Can they travel alone? What's the checklist I need? You are not alone. These questions are real, and millions are searching for answers. This video gives you those answers. Real steps, real help, real care. From planning the journey, booking flights, to understanding the new visa regulations. From elderly care and wheelchair support to navigating airport connections, watch till the very end. One small detail can change everything. Let's make your parents' journey abroad safe, loving, and stress-free. Let's bring families closer, one flight, one hug, one smile at a time. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey steeped in love, discovery, and a touch of magic. Today, I'm taking you on an emotional roller coaster, joining my beloved Ammi and Abbu on their first ever adventure to Europe. This isn't just a trip, it's a tapestry of dreams woven over the years, a testament to curiosity and wonder. This story is close to my heart, a journey not just across continents, but across generations. My parents, who have spent their lives caring for others, finally took their first trip to Europe, from Bengaluru to Frankfurt with Lufthansa Airlines. This video captures the love, excitement, and little moments that made it unforgettable. It all began with a click, booking tickets for a dream long overdue. I carefully reviewed every detail, ensuring my parents would travel with comfort and dignity. Wheelchair assistance wasn't just a feature, it was essential. After dropping off their luggage, the assistance team checked their tickets with quiet efficiency. I watched from the background, wanting to see if they could do it on their own. I was just a silent shadow, staying close enough to guide them if needed, but far enough to let them lead. The assistance guys arrived promptly, helping to get the wheelchairs ready. The staff was incredibly supportive, walking beside my parents, taking them through each step with care. Their smiles said it all, they weren't just traveling, they were stepping into a new chapter. And though I stayed behind the scenes, I knew this moment couldn't have happened without me.
Here, I just have to highlight the incredible support from Lufthansa's wheelchair assistance, because it truly made all the difference. At luggage drop, they didn't just help, they welcomed my parent-in-laws like VIP. No waiting, no confusion, just a seamless handover and fast-tracked access. They were gently guided through a shortcut that whisked them past security checks and immigration clearance without the usual hustle. But what stood out most? As boarding time approached, their assistant reappeared like clockwork, friendly, prepared, and ready to escort them to the gate. Smooth, calm, and perfectly on time. Lufthansa didn't just provide a service, they offered genuine care. And for my parent-in-laws, that meant traveling with confidence and dignity.
Knowing this trip would be more than just sightseeing, it would be a celebration of life. 3. Departure day, airport to onboarding. The airport buzzed with excitement. As soon as the boarding was complete, Lufthansa's assistants didn't falter, not for a moment. My parents were smoothly escorted right to their seats, with care and comfort that felt personal. I watched them settle in, eyes wide with excitement. They smiled, unaware the plane had even taken off, so gentle was the journey. And when they praised the pilots, I felt this strange happiness bloom inside me. I told them about how, years ago, I worked on the software requirements for this ambient glow from the Airbus CIDS mood lighting washed over them. It was serene, dreamy, almost magical. Lighting system, just a small part of a big dream. Explaining that to them, Madai, made the moment surreal. Emotional. You see, life keeps us grounded when our hearts want to soar. Responsibilities, careers, settling families. All the things that make time slip through our fingers. But that flight, it was the right time, the right place. A gentle reminder that some dreams may wait, but they don't vanish. They rise, just like we did, above the clouds. ऊपर आसमान के उस सुकून में, एक पुराना सपना फिर से जी उठा.
Time melted into clouds as we savored our meal, cruising at 40,000 feet and nearly 1,000 kilometers per hour. Hum yummy moments above the world.
Food or Lufthansa specials, high above the clouds, we were treated to warm meals and even warmer hospitality. My parents marveled at the paneer curry served at 30,000 feet. It wasn't just food, it was comfort, a taste of home in a. As time gently drifted by, Dad was glued to his favorite Tollywood action flicks, while Mom gazed out in awe, zooming across continents and changing terrains from 40,000 feet, fully immersed with her Samsung S25 Ultra's zoom magic. Me as usual sleeping like a bear and storing energy for next ride. Right, a thrilling dance with gravity that made our hearts skip. Lights twinkled below like scattered stars, and the cabin held its breath. Then, bam, a perfect touchdown. Applause erupted. That landing? Pure adrenaline and magic. Frankfurt greeted us with crisp air and quiet efficiency. Wheelchair assistance was seamless, and my parents were welcomed with kindness. A new country, a new chapter, and they were ready to embrace it all. Journey to our German home. From the airport to the train station, we hopped onto Germany's iconic railways. The rhythmic hum of the train, the scenic views, and the joy in my parents' eyes made it magical. It wasn't just a ride, it was the beginning of a beautiful stay. Chamakta Dil outro. This trip was more than a vacation. It was a tribute to resilience, love, and the joy of experiencing something new, no matter your age. Thank you. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned, dear audience, for more on our European Odyssey, featuring insider tips for cruises, air journeys, train routes, and road trips. We'll guide you through saving on accommodations, booking affordable tickets, and understanding travel regulations, every step made simpler. And for those navigating the Alakat Wisdom or planning life in Germany, especially parents seeking white-collar opportunities abroad, you're not alone. We're building a consultation network that stands beside you. Stay connected for real-time updates, slot booking support, and all the services you'll need to turn travel into transition. Because when it's the right time and the right place, the journey is just the beginning. Like, share, and subscribe, because your dream destination might be one video away.